it together.
Alright guys, it is February 2nd of 2021. It's 33 degrees out. I'm at Ridley Creek State Park in Media, Pennsylvania. I am going to try and do a fly fishing video here. Alright, it's the second one I'm trying to do. I went the other day, I didn't do well at all. I tangled up a string a couple times. It was brick cold, it was in the 20s. And it was windy as crap, but we're here just after a snowstorm. There's been a nor'easter going for the past 3 days. Alright, this is day 3. It's been snowing since Sunday night. I'm gonna see if we can get some fish out. This is what it looks like out here, guys. Lots of friggin' snow. You see that guy over there fishing? He's gonna hole toss into something pretty hard. Alright. My flat fishing rod. You know, there's a frickin' snowstorm, and there's still people on this trail every day. I got in at the park down the street, though. The parking all the way down there. Okay. Yeah, I've been messing with just doing the single fly for now, so I can understand what I'm doing. Because I tried doing 2 fly, and it was a little too much craziness going on. Water's high. One thing I keep forgetting is glasses. Yeah.
That's what I'm putting the flies in. That's where the fish are. So same thing.
I'm trying to follow the edge where they come out of structure.
Well, what you want to do?
I see where the line follows the edge.
Yeah. I mean, that back edge along there.
Yeah.
You know, probably about 2 feet from the right where you and I push back up and drop it about 5 feet that way.
Uh-huh.
And just let it drip through like you're doing now.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Oh. Good size sucker.
Huh?
Good size sucker.
go. Check the fry out. Alright. I had to get rid of some storage on my phone. But, alright. I didn't realize the video stopped. I ran out of storage, but. Alright. I gave it the old college try here today. I think I had one hookup. I don't know if I did or I didn't. Who knows? It's cold. It's snowy out.
Alright guys, this is my second day in a row of going out fly fishing after the nor'easter. It is February the 3rd, 2021. It is Wednesday.
So, I did miss it. I had a line malfunction. And I was sitting here tending to it. And I hooked into a fish. I had a knot going with my reel. And I saw the fish. And I tried just line fighting it while I was messing with it. And I didn't set the hook right. But it ran upstream. I didn't realize I wasn't recording, so that sucks. But that's a fish so far. I want to introduce you guys to Terry. This is the main machine. Alright? About a month ago, I hit a bump in one of my brackets and my bumper fell off. I had to cut the other bracket off. She's got over 200,000 miles. She's covered in fishing stickers. She's the second love of my life. This is Terry. So, I went up and talked to a guy at the water. He said this is a nice holdover spot. Fish are always here. He's just wearing his waders. He said this is a great spot to catch some trout year round. Guys, I wish I was wearing a pocket tee, but I'm not. So, just showing you the water. It's pretty. Guy said he caught a couple brook trout. I'm gonna get after this water. When I catch fish, I'll take pictures and take as much video as I can. Stay tuned. Thanks. There are literally so many little fish in front of me in the water, and they just won't bite. All right, back to where we were at. This stuff is beautiful. Deep water, deep water, deep water, deep water. Guys, I couldn't get it to land on a spinning rod, but the last hole I was just at is super deep. So I'm gonna give it a try on my fly rod real quick. All right, it's about 4 o'clock now. Been out here since like 10:30, 11 o'clock. I had 3 pop-offs today. All right, 2 of them were all on the spinning rods, and I wasn't having anything happening at all. Then I put a blood red midge on, took my fly rod on, and I went down to So when I get to this spot here, it was the end of my day, but I came back the next day and I was so determined I didn't take any video until I got a fish. So here it comes. Guys, I got one on the stringer here, nice rainbow. I'm using the blood red midge, just drifting along these deep holes. I came back, guys. I'm addicted to fishing. I couldn't come back. I could not come back. So I'm back looking for one. Found one already. There was a kid tossing his flies in between this hole before me, so I feel pretty good. I didn't see him pull anything out, so I'm gonna keep going. All right, guys. Getting a pic of this for you here real quick. The only rainbow trout I've caught yet here. I hooked one yesterday. This one's not too bad. Alright guys, well, I'm absolutely addicted to fishing, so I caught one. I finally caught one. It's a nice one. Nice rainbow. Looks good. It was work. It was the second day in a row I had to be here. I used all flies today. I used blood red midge. That's what I caught it on. I switched it up a little bit after that, but I had a fun day. Any day you can catch fish is a great day. Even the days I haven't caught fish have been great days, but today was a special one because it was my first time catching a trout on a fly rod. It felt great. It was awesome. I felt like I learned a lot today, and I'm hungry. So, not only hungry for the fish I'm about to eat, but I'm hungry for more. So stay tuned. I'm going to catch more. This is going to be the ending to my fly fishing video and chronicle, from learning how to fly fish to catching the first fly fish rainbow. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. Thanks. Guys, I had a lot of fun making this video. This was my first trout on a fly fishing rod. I made another video of me cooking this trout. If you want to go to my Facebook or my YouTube, subscribe, follow, give it a like, share it, and you can see that video as well. Thanks for watching.